Yo, what's up, guys? こんにちは、阿部野です。今日は数の数え方0から10を勉強していきましょう。So, today we are learning how to count numbers from 0 to 10. And I will show you how to write 漢字 later. 今日も一緒に頑張りましょう。So, I will put alphanumeric on the left side, and alphanumeric is called A 数字, and on the right side, I will put 漢字 numerals. It's called 漢数字. 漢数字 A 数字 and 漢数字. So, let me show you how to count the numbers. In Japanese, quickly, 0 is 0 or 0.And actually there is a kanji, but it's really difficult and I've never written that kanji as a number. I won't show you how to write kanji of 0 today. So if you need it, let me know in the comment. 0 or 0. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, or 4, 4, or 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, or 7, 7, or 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 9, or 9, 9, or 9, 10, 10, 10. So, it's easy, isn't it? So, I will say from 0 again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I will show you how to write kanji from now. 1 is really easy. Just a straight line from left to right. Left to right. Like this. Left to right. 1. Not like this or not like this. No. No. Just straight line. And just slightly curve upside will be fine. But never like this. And this is good. This one is good. This is not. Just draw the straight line like this. 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 Not like curve. Those are not fine. 2 is more difficult than 1, but it's really easy. So write 1, just short line, shorter than 1, like this, and draw the 1 just below. It's easy, isn't it? Like this. And not like this or like this. Not good. Yeah, just straight 2 lines. So upper one is shorter than bottom one. So this is really important. So this is not good. Just same line. Bad. Okay? So if you can write 2, 3 is pretty easy too. 3. Okay? Just short two line and longer line in the bottom, and but not like this. And this is would be fine. This is like mountain, right? Shortest one in the top, and middle is middle, and longest one is bottom. So like middle one is the shortest. Would be fine. Yeah, must be fine. This is very good. But shortest in the top is not so beautiful. But the same length, the top and middle is fine. Not so bad. Yon is getting difficult. This is like this. Yon, like one, like vertical line, and like this, right ichi, and going down. So this, and this one, and this. Yeah. And made a square, the bottom line at the end. This is not good. This is not beautiful. It's, yeah, 4 is like this. 4 is pretty difficult. 次は5. Next, 5. So, right, 1 on the top. 1 on the top. And like alphanumeric 1. Just slightly like slant. You can go straight, of course. This is better than, more beautiful than this one. So just slightly slant. I'm not sure how I should describe this line. So anyway, like this. So like this, the longest line in the bottom. So like this. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. If the bottom line is shortest, is not beautiful. Yeah, I can read it, but it's not beautiful. 6 is easier than 5. 6 is like this. Short 1. And 1, like straight line, like this, and this, and chon, and chon. 1, 1, chon. This is like は、カタカナのは、right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And 7. 7 is so easy. Okay. Just write 1, 1, and like this. Not like し、ひらがなのし。Not like し。Just like this. And never be long like this. This line should be longest. Not like this. Even same length would be fine. But this is not beautiful. 8 is so easy. 8 is kind of same as カタカナのは、は、ひ、ふ、へ、ほ。8。8。Very easy. 9、9。 Q and just write straight line from left to right and go down and slightly curve and going up. So 1, 2. Guess this part is really difficult for you guys. Writing like Z, writing like Z, and going up and like this. This one will be fine. I guess this is the easy way to write Q. 10. 10 is totally same as plus 1 plus 1 equal 2. This one is 10. Okay, right, plus. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and also I stream on Twitch, so you can ask me anything there, and just click the link in description. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. ご視聴ありがとうございました。また次のビデオで会いましょう。またね、バイバイ。